Hi everyone. So today in this video, I'm giving you a presentation of my project that I developed in this whole complete week. So this project is based on making an application which is based on booking an online. We can book a movie, an event, we can organize an event, and all these things we can do in this application. So first of all, I will show you the overview of this landing page of my website. Then I will show you the login and the registration part. Then I will show you some of the selecting a movie which is there in the website, and then how we complete a user flow like selecting a movie, then going to that particular detail of that movie, then booking, and finally we can get the movie ticket. So coming to the tech stack that I use in this application is for the database, I use MongoDB. And for backend part, I use Python and the Flask. And for front end, I use Angular. So yes, let's deep into the presentation. Now, this is the landing page of my website where and I name my website as a Movie Mania event management. So this is the landing page where it is showing some of the cards and some of the details of particular things that is available in this. These are the landing page, and its website is quite responsive based on I use Flexbox and the grid for the responsiveness. Now coming to the like if I want to select any of the search movie and the event or a profile, then it will directly redirect me to the login page as it is showing that please log in first. So now before login, first I will register in this application. Now for the registration part, I will just make an random. The password is PC, username. Okay. Now finally I register. Takes time to it takes time to storing the data in the database, and now after successfully register, then it will take me to the login page. There I will putting the same credential like abc@gmail.com, and abc is the password. Now, by the time I click on the login, it will load, and finally it will uh, redirect to the landing page, and there it will shows me the abc, the name of that particular user, and a welcome note. Now, after this, I can go to access the proper navigation like movies, events, and the profile. Now, coming to the movies, let's check what are the movies that is available in this website. It will fetching all the movies from the database, which is already available, like of the movie list. All the movie list are there. Then also there is a pagination button there. By the help of this pagination, I can access the different pages in this. Now, let's go to selecting some of the movies. Like if I select this particular movie, I select on this, it will take me to the next page where it is showing the particular detail of that movie or a series. Then it will shows me the particular booking time and all these things, the available seat, time, duration, and all these things. Based on this, if I want to purchase any of the ticket like a duration of a evening 3:45 p.m. I just click on book show, and it will give me a confirmation like a booking successful. Check your profile. Now in this way, I will so in this way I will selecting that particular movie. Then I go to my profile, checking whether the movie is getting booked or not. Then it will show. I will go to the profile. There it will shows me the details of particular user, the email ID, and further the booking ID of the user. Like it's showing me the particular series, whatever I'm applying for, the duration and a seat, and finally a booking confirmation. Now this is a one part. Now second part, I can search a movie like in this search bar. Like if I want to search, already it will shows me all the movies. Like if I want to search like any movie, any Bollywood movie, then it will shows me according to that particular text. It will shows me all the related movie in my whatever the database, the movie is present in my database. It will shows all these movies. So this is how I can search the movie as well. Now, coming to this event is just a event is just something UI part. There is no functionality like we can book an event in this website and something else, but it's like an UI to present the website more good. Now, this is all about the functionality where I'm showing the home landing page, the search functionality, the movies which I can select. I can choose any movie, the book that particular movie, and finally, I will um, I will uh, book that particular movie. Now, after this, the login and the register work. Now, after this, one more, there is a chatbot is I'm implementing in this, like if I'm saying hello. Okay, maybe this is not responding because maybe my API key of that chat GPT is exposed to the server and it will block. Let me show you with my local storage. As my application is live on the Netleaf Versal, that the link is shown here. But for the chatbot functionality, let me give you an overview of this chatbot. So now, for if I'm saying hello, then it will respond me, but it's not any customized way like filtering something like a that particular thing. But I am asking which is related to that particular movies. It will not restricted to that particular one. It will give me any answer. If I am searching like a HTML, what is HTML, it will even though show me the and the detail of HTML. But for the sake of let's search how to book ticket in this application. Now it will shows me like open the application and click on the book ticket, select the type of ticket you would like to book and enter your personal detail. All this thing is like some basic implementation of a chatbot, like how we can integrate our application with the chat GPT API, and we are getting the response. Now, this is all about my application. Let me move to the code base of my application. So this is the code base of, um, okay, it takes, okay. Now I'm going to the project section, and there, this is the code base of my application where there is a readme file. I'm showing all the details of particular movies like the logo, the movie application. I will also deploy the movie application, the link that is deployed, the backend and the front end part, some screenshot which is also available there. And I will features all the related thing that I used in this application, the prerequisite that is there, like I can use in this, and all the related information I will put in this application, in this readme file. And this is my movie mania, which is for the front end, and the movie mania backend part, which is I can use for the backend where my Python and the Flask code is there. Like yeah, this is the code and all these related thing where I'm fetching the data. I'm connecting my MongoDB with the server and the database and all these things which is there. And further, the same as in the front end part. So yeah, this is all about my application, and I built this in this week for our final submission, for our final generative AI completion course. Yeah, that's all for today's, and thank you and have a great day.